Hari Om. For spiritual seekers, for those who are in search of the meaning of human life, for those who want to understand the place of Almighty, for those who want to understand moral values, humanity, service, the poems written by Pujya Sri Narayan Savant Guruji are a guiding light. In continuation to our video series, we have taken the next poem, Maruvesha, meaning disguise, from the book Aravinaladinda, meaning from the deep ocean of wisdom. This poem has many hidden treasures of philosophy in it. Hari Om.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ 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 ಮಾರುವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಬಂದು ಮುರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಸೊಕ್ಕು ಮಾರುವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಬಂದು ಮುರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಸೊಕ್ಕು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಪಣ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೀನ ಬಂಧುವಾಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿಗುವುದು ನಮಗಿಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಪಣ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೀನ ಬಂಧುವಾಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿಗುವುದು ನಮಗಿಂದು ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದವಗೆ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನವ ಕರುಣಿಸಿದೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದವಗೆ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನವ ಕರುಣಿಸಿದೆ ಮಾರುವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಬಂದು ಮುರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಸೊಕ್ಕು ಮಾರುವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಬಂದು ಮುರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಸೊಕ್ಕು ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನಾಗಿ ಜಗದೊಳು ಮೆರೆಯಿಸಿದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನಾಗಿ ಜಗದೋಳು ಮೆರೆಯಿಸಿದ ಎನ್ನ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿನ್ನು ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನಾಗಿ ಜಗದೊಳು ಮೆರೆಯಿಸಿದ ಎನ್ನ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿನ್ನು ಮಮಕಾರ ತೊಲಗಿಸಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸೇರಿಸಿನ್ನು ಮಮಕಾರ ತೊಲಗಿಸಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸೇರಿಸಿನ್ನು ಮಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮೂರುತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿನ್ನು ಮಮಕಾರ ತೊಲಗಿಸಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸೇರಿಸಿನ್ನು ಮಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮೂರುತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿನ್ನು ಮೂರುತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿನ್ನು ಓಂ ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಓಂ ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಓಂ
These poems reveal different meanings to different persons at different times, depending on the wisdom of the reader. In this time of COVID-19 pandemic, we can understand the meaning of this poem as follows. To understand this poem in depth, I feel it necessary to go through the last words of a great personality called Barbarika in Mahabharata. In the end of Mahabharata, after the completion of 18 days battle, the Pandavas who won it had a very peculiar doubt in their mind. It was, who is the real hero of this never before great battle? Pandavas put the same question to Sri Krishna. He smartly answered, there is one person who has seen this battle from start to end, so you can ask him. Well, Pandavas along with Sri Krishna came to place where the head of Mahatma Barbarika was present. With utmost respect, the Pandavas asked, Hey Mahatma Barbarik, please clarify our doubt as to who is the real hero of this great battle. Barbarika, after listening to their silly question, started laughing. And with all due respect, he unfolded the secret to this world as to how the Almighty works. He said, all the warriors were just playing with their weapons, but it was only the Sudarshana Chakra who was killing all the people on the wish of Sri Krishna. Hence, Sri Krishna is the real hero of this epic battle. Listening to these words, all of them hung their head down in shame. The moral of this story is that everything in this world runs as per the wish of the Almighty. Man has made many inventions in this technological era. He has redefined luxury life. He can get his work done at the press of a button, but sometimes we feel he has forgotten humanity, moral values, and also the Almighty. He has been spoiling the nature like never before. Human being has become blind due to his ego and arrogance, and has started to believe that no one can stop him. Whenever human being has become arrogant and egoistic, the Almighty has crushed it in disguise by taking many forms. But also, whenever man has surrendered to God after being unable to carry the load of his sins, God has again helped him in disguise as friend, father, mother, doctor, neighbor, stranger, etc., and relieved him of his pain. Again, man has failed to understand this divine play. He forgets God and catches that other human being who helped him. O God, we are in the ocean of ignorance. Bless us with your divine knowledge and liberate us from this. At the shores of this ocean there is sand and water, but it is of no use to man because of his ignorance. At this testing time of coronavirus, man has got everything on earth. He has money, mansions, aeroplanes, luxury, vehicles, science, technology, etc. But they are of little help to him. Today, he is praying for life and 2 meals a day. He has to understand that all that he has got is not permanent. Time has come to understand the truth. World is thinking, if we are infected by coronavirus, death is certain. But still, infected people are getting cured. Doctors say there is no medicine yet for this deadly virus. But yes, again the patients are being healed. So we have to think, what is the secret behind this? During this critical time of pandemic, God is taking test of everyone. God has given every single person on this world a wonderful opportunity to do service. As the Sanskrit proverb says, Vaidyo Narayana Hari, there are many doctors, nurses, scientists, police, municipality staff who are working round the clock away from their family for the welfare of the patients and people. It is because of their selfless service God is curing the patients through their healing hands. O God, please give us the knowledge to understand the secrets behind this critical condition. Show us the way to come out of this situation. Let our darkness of ego and ignorance be lit by your light of divine knowledge. Give us the permanent understanding that you are the ultimate truth. Rest all is temporary. We are lying down as useless soil. Kindly pour in the water of knowledge in it and make us an idol out of it. As the saying goes, Nambi kettavarillavo, meaning no one has failed after believing in God. And also Sri Krishna Bhagavan says, Paropakarartham idam shariram, meaning this body is for the service of others. Hence, give your body, mind, soul and time for the selfless service of others and earn the blessings of the Almighty. And again, offer all your service to Him who knows in which disguised form God is testing us secretly. Hari Om.